So I just finished doing the Android setup from Enon. This is kind of an interesting situation because there's not really instructions that are clear for everything that you need to know. Um, the rear view camera, that was a little confusing. Now I did the rear view camera on this one. Um, it did say to not hook up the power wire on the RCA side and only hook up the reverse signal from the camera side. I guess whenever you put it in reverse, it goes through the data and then it automatically turns on the rear view camera mode. And then obviously the camera in the back turns on. But anyway, this does have a safety feature as well, like the e-brake. So I would contact Enon for that. I kind of had to figure that out on my own since there's not really any instructions. But it's kind of a do it at your own risk type of situation. So that way you can mess with the system while you're moving. But like I said, that is at your own discretion. So you can message Enon if they want to give that information out. But yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Now the issue that I ran into is it doesn't auto detect the steering wheel controls. So what you have to do is pretty much go to the settings and you have to, let's see if I remember this one. Where did I go for that one? Oh, sorry about that. It is on this one right here. So what you have to do is press start, and then once you see the start button, you will hold on to whatever you want to set, say like volume plus, click on that, and then you will hold the volume plus, and then it'll register, give you like an okay, and then press volume down, and do the same thing, vice versa. I mainly just set like the most common ones, obviously the seek up and down. This one did not want to program, maybe it's just not supported. And as far as if you want to connect your wireless CarPlay, you will have to go to the same thing, and then you will press on this T-Link. You could either do the wired way, which I ran in here, or the wireless way. So it pretty much connects just like any other Bluetooth device. So just kind of, it'll be in the instruction as well, so just kind of follow that. You can also do the Torque Pro if you have the OBD2 connection. You can just connect it to that. That's pretty much the most common one for this one. So I mean, you can kind of have to play with it a little bit. But as far as the reverse, obviously put it on reverse. It's also got the guides. Now you do have to turn on a setting on the reverse. It doesn't just automatically does it. Not sure why, but it should have been. So reverse, and you're gonna have to kind of play with this a little bit, but you can copy the same one I got if you want. That's pretty much it. I mean, you kind of have to download your wallpaper if you want to mess with the sound. It'll also dim when you do the headlights, so that's a good thing. Some of these doesn't really work, but because it obviously shows on top, but overall it is a pretty cool unit. So hit up Enon if you guys want one of these. It's pretty easy to install. Like I said, the only thing you have to mess with is the parking brake signal. You don't have to do a trigger for the reverse signal from the car to make this go into reverse mode, since it'll do it via data. So, but other than that, it's pretty much self-explanatory, easy install. Took me about 30 minutes just because I didn't have any instructions on it. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment. If you don't mind subscribing so I can see your message. Other than that, good luck and let me know.